Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Ned from Ned's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today we're checking out Popular Mechanics May 1974 swinging beach houses. Rotates for any view in any direction. Right on. That looks like fun. Since we're in the 70s, the pages are different, and so are the advertisements. Wouldn't be Popular Mechanics without some cigarette advertisements. Not seeing the alcoholism I'm usually used to. The lawnmowers are a wee bit tamer. We got a super saw. I am not familiar with anything like that at all. So anyone watching this that knows, that's super saw. What is the modern day equivalent? Oh, mon Dieu, that looks beautiful. Oh man, I love this Navy advertisement. I love that computer that guy's dealing with. It looks like something real old school that I should remember the name of. The Averis? Oh yeah, a lot of these computer rooms look a lot cooler when you get the lights off. A nice old-fashioned Coleman advertisement. Man, the pages are so small. The phone's like, you gotta step back. This is what it's like when you're white and you go to church. As soon as you come out, God hits you in the face with some cool cigarettes, and then you smell the fresh country air and all of that stuff. This is how you get rid of pedophiles. Oh, check it out. He's riding Kawasaki on his brother's bike. His brother looks like he might have enjoyed a cheeseburger or two in the last few minutes. Holy Ferg, is that... I think that's the first white ride-on lawnmower I've ever seen. New TV tubes lock in better color pictures. I remember moving from one TV to another with the Sega Saturn system. It was only then that I ever noticed that some TVs were sharper than others. Also, RF modulators are not as good as RGB. Oh, in the now. That's right. This is such a new and interesting idea of this faucet type. So that's how it works. Okay, so that looks really cold. I mean, I wouldn't be worried. Okay, so in my rivers around here, I'd be worried about the minnows be nibbling at your bits. I swear to God, it happens. It happens. Oh, it's our first black velvet girl. Looking good, girl. It's a map eater. I love the art. Very nice. You build your own cars. Designed for easy, fast assembly stock Volkswagen chassis, no welding. This can't be you make your car from scratch. This has got to be, this is just a shell, right? I love it. This is a turtle wax? Yeah, turtle wax. Oh, that turtle's taking a beating. Some early retrofuturism kind of shot. Why did they switch it from metal to plastic? Oh, probably because they wanted to get that special pour-on thing, and it was probably best to have it. Yeah, okay. I could see how this could be a pain in the butt to work with if you didn't have the unit. And somehow somebody managed to get the Stabo. Over here we have a beautiful wood pile. Yeah, I always love the advertisements in the back. Of course, I have to hang... Oh, a dune buggy? You can make a dune buggy? I wonder when the jet engine started being made. We got another one down here. Why so popular? Well, that's all I got on this one, guys. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Love the retrofuturism, though, eh?